In this guide, I will be showing you guys how can you fix virtual machine detected error in Roblox. Let's get started. First, let's disable any Windows virtualization features that may be triggering the error. Open Windows search bar and type turn Windows feature on or off. Launch it. In the list of features, look for Virtual Machine Platform and uncheck it if it's enabled. You can also disable Hyper-V if it's available on your system. Click OK and allow Windows to apply the changes. You may be asked to restart your computer. Next, disable Core Isolation Memory Integrity. Open the Windows search bar, type Windows Security and launch the app. Click on Device Security, then select Core Isolation Details. If memory integrity is turned on, switch it off and restart your computer when prompted. Another possible cause is virtualization software installed on a PC. Launch Settings, go to Apps. Now, head over to the option Installed Apps. Search for programs such as VMware, VirtualBox, or other virtual machine software. If you don't actively use them, uninstall them and restart your PC. If the issue still persists, try clearing Roblox local files. For that, search for Run. In the box, type in %local app data % and press enter. Now locate the Roblox folder, right-click it and select Delete. This will remove temporary Roblox files that may be causing the problem. Finally, reinstall or update Roblox. Visit the official Roblox website or you can launch Microsoft Store and install its latest version. First, install it by going to Apps, Installed Apps, searching for Roblox, clicking on 3 dots, then click on the option Install. Now go to the official website of Roblox or navigate to Microsoft Store, search for Roblox and install it. So that's it. With these tips, you will be good to go. Your problem will be resolved. If this guide was helpful, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.